Hi there. You do like a fish, but you don't like to cook sometimes. That's right. Don't worry, it happens to many. So, how about making some salmon rolls? Interesting, isn't it? Save them in your Snapware and take them to anywhere you want to go to the park, to your work, to the padlock, even on short trip. So let's give it a go and see. For the recipe, I need some salmon, raw garlic, raw parsley, one egg yolk, some lemon juice, extra virgin oil, salt, and the bread crumbs. That's all ingredients I need. First of all, I am gonna mix all ingredients and blend them except the bread crumbs. Mix them all together. I use 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and some salt. And mix all together. So, and then once I blended all ingredients together, I'm gonna remove the whole mix from the blender. As you see, I am thoroughly removing it because I don't like to waste food or ingredients. Now I'm gonna use my hands to form rolls, coat them very well with breadcrumbs, and put them right away in my air fryer tray. Very easy work. You don't have to use any other instruments but your hands. And I can tell you, if you try these rolls, you are gonna make them every week. Your family, your friends, your kids, if you have any, and yourself will love them. They are very delicious. You know, I prefer them to any other rolls. They are easy to make, and to think that you can store them, for example, in your fridge for 2 to 3 days, or for longer in your freezer. So you can use them when you don't want to cook or you don't have enough ingredients for the dish you want to cook. The last step is cooking them in my air fryer. (325 degrees) for 15 minutes. There we are. Okay. Easy peasy and yummy in my tummy. Please hit the button for me. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you.